When it comes to discontinuities, there are three types of discontinuities. The first example is the function f that we used in the first slide. So our function f has the graph like this. It's almost continuous, but at this point 1. We redefined this function to get continuous function. In other words, we were able to remove this discontinuity. In that sense, this first type of discontinuity is called removable discontinuity, because we can remove this discontinuity by redefining this function for 1 point. Number 2, well, the graph of 1 of x has this graph. As you will see, when your x equals 0, the graph is not continuous, but this graph is getting close to x-axis, similar for this. So actually, when you take the limit, one-side limit, you will get infinity, or when your x approaches 0 from the left, we have limit, negative infinity. So in that sense, the second type of discontinuity is called infinite discontinuity. Look at the third case. The graph of this looks like that. Suppose our graph has a graph like this. Then it looks like your graph jumps at this point. So in that sense, this type of discontinuity is called jump discontinuity. Because the function jumps from one value to another. But for this, you can talk about one-sided continuity. For example, say your x approaches from the left, then we have continuity. But when your x approaches from the right, this limit is not same to the function value. So this we can talk about one-sided continuity as well.